Hi everyone. So today, a lot of people have still been wondering what is homeschooling like. Even though we've been doing it for how many years now?
3 years.
They still want to know what your schedule is like and how your homeschooling classroom looks like. So why don't you walk them in the classroom?
Let's go! Welcome to our homeschool room where my kids spend most of their times learning.
Hi everyone, we're gonna turn you to our classroom. So this is our
because this is mine, Scarlett's, and Gavin's.
and then all of our subjects
All of our
are
books
here.
are theirs.
Books.
So these are all our storybooks here. And then this is the community table where everybody can stay and study together.
We have this area where we can put like
The date,
the day. So it's
month.
2:25. So we're gonna change this to a different
date.
date. Yeah, so it's June 15.
And this is our whiteboard where sometimes I do my math drills here. Like I have questions to do and then I can solve it here. So right after when we're done with homeschool or we want to read a storybook, we can get any book from here and then we can stay in our reading corner and we can read peacefully.
There were only a few that really wanted to homeschool before, but now there's going to be distance learning.
Distance learning and homeschooling. So distance learning is a curriculum that the school gives.
Yes, so their teacher will go online. with
Online,
the
yes. And then
students.
homeschooling is parents teaching their kids.
So they're in homeschool from 9 a.m. to about 2 p.m. on average. But they only have homeschool when? Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, and Friday. So Thursdays are their clubs. So the clubs are here also at home, online as well.
Yes.
I know that a lot of parents have been put in a position this year to homeschool or do distance learning for their kids because of the situation. So I was thinking, what would be a good advice for those parents who are going to be distance learning or homeschooling? My tip would have to be that you already complete all of the materials that the kids need for homeschooling for the entire year so that you don't have to keep leaving the house just to get small things. So, one of the things that I would recommend is, of course, your children's pencils, ball pens, erasers, tape, puncher, folders. All of these things that your kids use in regular school are still needed when they're homeschooling. And to make it fun for your kids, don't forget to get some materials for their arts and crafts. Also, it's very useful for their projects. I know that a lot of you might not have enough space, so I would suggest on investing on storages so that you can easily put them away and bring them out when you need them.
So the kids have toured you around our classroom and Cheska showed you other essentials that's needed for homeschooling. But I also wanted them to have something that can connect them, especially for online classes. But distance learning is something that's very prevalent now. So after much research, we invested in the HP Pavilion X360. It's a 14-inch convertible and it has over 10 hours of battery life, so it can last longer. It's a touchscreen and it can bend in all different positions, so when the kids have classes, it's easy to watch their teachers, and it's it has very loud speakers also by Bang & Olufsen. So I'm very happy that even these speakers are good, even though they're a bit distant from the laptop. Homeschooling, as you said before, it can be anywhere, right?
Yes.
So you can actually bring this laptop anywhere as long as you have a network, and then you can do your lessons there also if you need to do it.
Yeah, and actually it's very light and handy. One of the things I really requested for Doug is to get me a reliable and good printer, because a lot of people think when you're homeschooling, you don't need a printer or you don't have projects, but we do have projects that we have to submit to our advisor. So, a good printer is very important, especially for my kids who like to go online and research and print some of their materials.
Yeah, they have lessons, they have drills that you can easily print out. And for me, I wanted something that's smart. Okay, so with HP, they came out with an HP Smart Tank wireless printer. It's the 515 model all-in-one printer, meaning meron siyang scanner. You have a scanner, you have a printer, and it's wireless. As you can see, it's not connected to the to the laptop via wire. So it's wireless. So if I need to print something, I've configured this already. So if I need to print this math drill, all I have to go is go to the page and then click print. Just have to be at the same network as your router. So you just connect it via the HP Smart app. So you just need to download it. In fact, it's not just for the laptop, even via mobile. Since this is what I carry around everywhere, I downloaded this also. So it's online. Anytime I want to print, it's accessible, no matter where I am in the house.
Galing talaga. Perfect.
Okay, so here there's no wire. Print, and it should send the data wirelessly here. Okay, and don't forget guys, it's very important to get authentic HP ink. So GT52 blue, yellow and pink, and of course the bigger one is color black. It's a GT53 XL. There you go. So easy like this. Scarlett, here's your multiplication drills.
Alright, so you might be thinking that because they're homeschooled, they don't have any projects anymore. But for my kids, they do have to make projects and they have to prepare a portfolio so that they can present it to their advisor. So let me show you some of the projects that my kids made and that needed a really good printer.
So HP quality, consistent every time. So all of the drawings, all of the letters that are printed is consistent.
See, as you can see, look at how the picture looks like. It's really nice.
The text is sharp, the graphics are vibrant.
So a lot of the kids' projects need them to print and source out online. And remember, enjoy homeschooling your kids. It's a great opportunity to get to know them even more. Remember, homeschool is not hard work, it's hard work.